So here I am at the end of this round. To connect it, I'm going to do a slip stitch into the chain 2 space in the corner, a slip stitch into there to connect. So this is what my piece looks like at the end of this round. We have our corner, we have our sides, all the way around. Now for the next round. So we finished off with 3 single crochet. So we did our groups of 4 and we ended off with 3 single crochet. Then we did our slip stitch into the chain 2 space. And now for the next round. For the next round, we're going to begin with a chain 2, 1, 2. This chain 2 counts as our first double crochet. We're going to do 4 more into this chain 2 space. So yarn over, insert our hook into the chain 2 space, complete a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're going to create a total of 5 double crochet into this space with the beginning chain 2, which counts as our first double crochet. So right now I have chain 2, 1, 2, so I have a total of 3 double crochet so far, 4 and 5. Like this. 5 double crochet into this corner. Now the rest of the round is pretty simple. We're just going to do 1 double crochet into each of our single crochets that we did all the way around, and in each corner, when we get to the corners, in each corner, the chain 2 space, we're going to do 5 double crochet into those. Okay, so the corner, 5 double crochet, then we're going to continue 1 double crochet into each of the single crochet to the next corner, 5 double crochet into the chain 2, and continue with 1 double crochet into each of the next single crochets till you reach your corners, 5 double crochet into the chain 2, all the way around to the beginning here once again. Alright, so 1 double crochet into each of the next single crochets all the way to the corners, like this. Like that, okay? So we're going to do that all the way around, and I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of my piece. I've done the double crochets all the way around. Now we're going to connect it. So I've done my last double crochet and the last single crochet, and we're just going to connect it to finish this round. But before we connect it, I'm going to mark one of my stitches. So I'm going to take a piece of scrap string and I'm going to mark the second double crochet that I made at the beginning of the round. So the first double crochet was our chain 2 and the second double crochet is the one that we made right next to it. So this one right here. So you're going to insert your hook, take a piece of scrap string, pull it through just to mark it because we're going to deal with it in the round after this one. Like that. So we have our beginning chain 2 and then the second one that we marked. Alright, so we're just going to do that and then we're going to connect it. So to connect it, I've done my last double crochet and the last single crochet here, and we have our chain 2 here. We're going to connect it with a slip stitch into the second chain of chain 2. 1, 2, insert your hook into the second chain of chain 2, and we're just going to complete a slip stitch to connect like that. Alright, now we are ready for the next round. Round 3. So this is what my piece looks like. So far we have our edging here and our corners all the way to the end. Okay. And this is what our 2 ends look like. So now let's begin. It's a very easy round. We're going to begin with a chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and this acts as our first double crochet. And now we're going to do 2 double crochet into the next 3 double crochet. So into the second one. So we have 5 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the corner. We did our first one. The second double crochet, we're going to do 2 double crochet into there. 1, 2. The third double crochet of the 5, we're going to do 2 double crochet in there, 1, 2, and the fourth double crochet of 5, we're going to do 2 double crochet into there, 1, 2, and then the fifth double crochet of 5, we're going to do 1 double crochet into there. So that's our corner. Now we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the double crochets all the way to the next corner. So 1 double crochet into each of the next double crochets until the next corner, like this. Okay? So we're going to do it all the way to the next corner here. And when you get to the next corner, you have your 5 double crochets into the next corner. The first one, you're going to do 1 double crochet. The second double crochet of the 5, you're going to do 2 double crochet into there. The third double crochet of the 5, we're going to do 2 double crochet into there. The fourth double crochet of the 5, we're going to do 2 double crochet into there. And the fifth double crochet of the 5, you're going to do 1 double crochet into there. And then you have your 1 double crochets here. You're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next double crochets all the way to your next corner, and you're going to repeat. So just to make it clear, let me just draw it for you. So we have our piece like this with our corners. Each corner right now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets. The first one, we're going to do 1 double crochet into there. The second one, we're going to do 2. The third one, we're going to do 2. The fourth one, we're going to do 2. The fifth one, we're going to do 1 double crochet into there. So it's 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. And then the remaining ones, we're just going to do 1 double crochet into each of the double crochets until you get to your next corner, which will be the same thing. In the first of the 5, 1. In the second, 2 double crochets. In the third, 2 double crochets. In the fourth, 2 double crochets. And the fifth, 1 double crochet. Like that, all the way around. Okay? So that's going to be the pattern all the way around. I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. We are at the end of my round. I've done my double crochets all the way to the beginning here, and I'm just going to connect it into the beginning chain 3 of the round into the third chain of chain 3 with a slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3, the third chain of chain 3 with a slip stitch, like that. Now we finish this round. So this is what my corners look like at the end of this round. Now for round, we're going to begin with doing these triangles and these front post treble crochet clusters. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing for this round. So each corner consists of 5 front post treble crochet clusters. That's these legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all in this one corner. And then we work on our triangles. We get to the next corner, we finish our last leg in this corner. 1, which is the last leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the beginning leg of the next triangle. And then we just continue our triangles. So to begin that, we are going to start off with chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is our double crochet and chain 3. Now we're going to do a front post treble crochet cluster around the marked double crochet on round 1. So the marked double crochet on round 1 is this one here, the one that we marked. So we're going to do a front post treble crochet cluster around that. So when we do that, we work around the stitch. So we're going to, for this round, we're working on both rounds 1 and round 2. For round 1, we always work around the stitch, around the post. So insert your hook from the front to the back, around it, like that. And for round 2, we work it in the normal stitches at the top here. Okay, so we're going to be working both rounds 1 and round 2 for this round. So we're going to do a front post treble crochet cluster around this marked stitch from round 1. So we're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook around this marked stitch on round 1, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You'll have 2 stitches on, you'll have 2 loops on your hook. You can repeat that one more time. Yarn over twice, insert your hook around the same mark stitch from round 1, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and that creates your front post treble crochet cluster. Now you're going to do a double crochet in the next double crochet on round 2. So the next double crochet on round 2 is right here at the top. So yarn over, insert your hook into that double crochet, and complete a double crochet like that. Now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to do a double crochet in the next double crochet on round 2. Like that. Now you're going to repeat until you have a total of 4 front post treble crochet clusters. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next double crochet from round 1, around the next double crochet from round 1. So that's the one beside the marked one. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, and repeat once more. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now you're going to do a double crochet in the next double crochet from round 2 at the top. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in the next double crochet from round 2 at the top, like this. So we've created 2 posts so far, 1, 2. Going to repeat that again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next double crochet from round 1, around it, pull loop through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert your hook around the same double crochet from round 1, pull loop through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Complete a double crochet in the next double crochet from round 2. Chain 3, double crochet from the next into the next double crochet from round 2. So we have 1, 2, 3 front post treble crochet clusters, 1, 2, 3 with chain 3 in the middle. Basically that's what we have. So we're going to do that one more time. Yarn over twice, insert your hook around the next double crochet from round 1. Pull up 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert your hook around the same double crochet from round 1, pull up 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 posts with our chain 3 in the middle. Now we've done the corner. So the corner is basically done. We have done this part, this part, this part. 1, 2, 3. Now we have our first leg of our first triangle. Now we're going to work on the next leg of the first triangle. So to do that, we're going to skip the next 2 double crochet from round 1, 1, 2, and then the third one, we're going to do the cluster. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into around that third double crochet from round 1, pull up 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, repeat that, insert your hook around the same double crochet, pull up 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and that creates our cluster like that. Now you're going to yarn over, you're going to skip the next 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and into the third one, we're going to do a double crochet. Now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do a double crochet into the next double crochet from round 2, like that. Now we're going to just create the triangles all the way to the next corner. So to do the triangles, we're going to yarn over twice, complete a 2 front post treble crochet cluster around the next double crochet on round 1. So here's our last leg, then next double crochet from round 1, complete your cluster. Then you're going to skip the next 2 double crochet from round 1, and then the third one you're going to do your next leg. So yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3, complete your cluster. So we've created our second triangle. Now you're going to skip the next 2 double crochet from round 2, 1, 2, and then the third one you're going to do a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, double crochet into the third one. You're going to chain 3, do a double crochet into the next double crochet in round 2, like this, and then you're just going to repeat. So you're going to repeat with your first leg of your next triangle. So we're going to do a cluster into the next double crochet from round 1. Then you're going to skip the next 2 double crochet on round 1, complete your second leg into the third double crochet on round 1. That'll create your triangle. Then you're going to skip the next 2 double crochet from round 2, 1, 2, and into the third double crochet from round 2 you're going to do a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 3, and you're going to do a double crochet into the next double crochet from round 2, and then you're going to repeat with your next leg in the next double crochet from round 1. Okay, triangle, first leg, second leg, chain 3, first leg, second leg, chain 3, first leg, second leg, chain 3. I know this part can be confusing, especially when you get to the corners. Take it slow and you'll be able to get there. So just so that we make it even more clear for those of you who are still confused, this is what we've done at the very beginning. This is our first corner. This part here we didn't do yet. So we didn't do that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5 that we did. The first one is this one here. Then we did chain 3. The second one is this one here. Then we did chain 3. The third one is here. Then we did chain 3. And the fourth one, the last one in the corner, is our first leg. Following after our first leg, we skipped 2 double crochet from round 1, and we did our second leg. 2 double crochet, second leg. And then we did our first leg of our next triangle in the next double crochet from round 1. So we did chain 3, first leg of our next triangle, and the next double crochet from round 1, skip 2 double crochet from round 1, and our last leg in the second triangle into the third double crochet from round 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3. And that's going to be what we're going to be doing. So we did 1, our first leg, 2, 3, 4, our last leg, which creates our triangle. We skip 2, double crochet from round 2, into the third one we do our double crochet, chain 3, double crochet into the next double crochet in round 2, and that creates our 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle, chain 3 in between, and then we just repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle, chain 3 in between, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle, chain 3 in between, all the way to the end. And when you get to the next corner, I'll meet you at the corner where we'll flesh this out.